I spy the perfect summer swing and sip spot. Say that 10 times fast. Hey Credos, I've got a great porch upgrade for you today. This is our Highwood Weatherly porch swing. I have wanted a swing on my porch for years, but I had to find just the right one. I wanted to place it on the end of the porch for a couple of reasons. First, so it faces into the conversation area. Second, so I don't have to worry about it banging against a wall or swinging against another object. We picked a 4-foot version and it fits perfectly. And we picked white because it fits our aesthetic, but it does come in 11 colors. The swing is made from marine grade polywood with an engineered wood grain. So it looks like a painted wood without the maintenance. It comes with 2 7-foot chains and 2 2-foot chains. We've attached it to a support beam under the paneling in the roof ceiling, but it does not come with hooks, so you need to purchase those separately. Here's how we did it. We've had this swing up for over a year, all year round, and we use it almost daily in good weather. It makes the porch look so inviting, and my grandkids love it. In fact, when they arrive, about half the time they drag me outside to sit on the swing with them. Because of the material, the maintenance is almost zero. I just use a wet cloth to wipe it off. If it got seriously dirty, I could use a brush or even a power washer on a low setting, but I have never needed to do that. This product is made in the USA, Pennsylvania to be exact, and it's very high quality. 304 stainless steel hardware, 400-pound capacity for the 4-foot size, which is what we chose, and a 12-year residential limited warranty. They stand behind their products. Because it's designed well, it's comfortable just as is. But if you want to make it look a little cuter, grab a standard outdoor cushion and throw in a cute pillow. This is how we've styled our swing. This swing makes a beautiful addition to your porch, patio, deck, backyard, and it will probably draw visitors, even the neighborhood cat, against my will. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell. You can also follow along on Instagram at Midlife Credo. And you can join the Midlife tribe on Facebook too, where we're thriving midlife without the crisis, but with lots of summer luxury.